How are you gonna get hurt, man?
Yeah, he was.
No, he wasn't.
Yeah, he was. Everything was falling on him, man.
That's toasted right there. That is toasted. Dang, fool, that is toasted.
You gotta run him up.
Woo! Woo! That's gone. That's no good. That's the second one, man. That's the second one you tore it up. Cool.
Go run him up. Me?
Yeah, dang sure it wasn't me.
Go run him up.
Dang, man, look at that.
That was a good one, too.
That's a $1,000 saw.
Hey, do I gotta take a pee test?
I don't know, that's Kevin. I don't know how that works. Man, poor saw, man. That was a good saw. Look at that. Hey, what you got? Look at that.
Write him up, Casey.
Why would you do such a thing?
So he's gonna have to work no more?
I can already see who was running the saw, so that explains a lot.
It was talking real bad about me. I put it out of its misery. Write him up, Casey.
There's a pee in a cup incident.
Uh-oh. I don't want to hear one word from you.
Well, I can tell you, you had Tommy on a chainsaw. I thought we discussed it.